National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for the Blackwater Creek below College Lake Dam in the central city of Lynchburg until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, County Dispatch reported the imminent failure of College Lake Dam on the Blackwater Creek. The nearest downstream town is Lynchburg, located about 1 mile from the dam. If a complete failure of the dam occurs, the water depth at Lynchburg could exceed 17 feet in 7 minutes. This includes the following streams and drainages: James River, Blackwater Creek, Williams Run, and Ivy Creek.